Kundalini life force blocked due to wrong posture. Wrong posture is the reason behind why your Kundalini life force is blocked. All the problems that you go through in Kundalini awakening journey is not due to Kundalini energy. It is due to the wrong posture that you take due to your unconscious state of being. For example, if you are experiencing problems in Kundalini journey in the form of energy not flowing in your life, you feel stuck, you feel blocked, observe yourself as the first diagnosis, the self-diagnosis. How do you sit? How your posture appears when you are sitting? Are you in slouching position like this? For example, if you are sitting on chair, are you in this posture? If you are in this posture, this is the first diagnosis that you can take to know that when you are in this posture, what is happening in you. I will guide you through this video step by step, all the mistakes or all the problems that you experience due to the wrong posture. In the next video, I will give you the solutions. So, understand yourself as a being which is being structured by the skeleton, which is structured by the spine, and in that case your spine has a curve. The right curve is this curve. This means that when you stand in an erect position, you need to look at me from all angles. First of all, your eye should not look down or drooping. You should not look at the ground. You should always be looking straight in 180 degree. Wherever you see, your eye should be in straight line. And if your eyes are in straight line, observe at your head position. Your head is always little at the back and aligned with your shoulder. Your neck is at the back. Your chin is inside. This is the correct posture. Now come to the chest region. Your chest region, this has to be in 80 degree or 70 degree. This chest part from neck to your upper chest, this has to be in this position. Now as you see, the lower part from the diaphragm to the belly region, this has to be in curve position. And when you maintain this curve, at the back, the lower back is in curve position, in C curve. This is C curve. This is C curve. So this is straight, this is tilted, then it is curve, and then the pelvic is like when you, this curve has to be maintained. This is the erect position. And when you walk, then you walk in straight vision, and you don't walk like this or walk like this or tilted. Now what is happening due to Kundalini? You feel that there are certain areas in your body which is blocked. So what happens? First of all, you need to understand the problem. What is happening? Suppose you are in standing position and you are like this. Look at your head. Your head is focusing and protruding from your back. Your spine has assumed not the curve but like a straight line. It has become like a straight line. And this happens because your body is tilted forward due to gravity. And this is the major reason behind the wrong posture. If it is tilted towards gravity, what will happen? Your spine and nervous system, your central nervous system, brain and the spine will like to align the energies in your body, nervous system, towards something exclusively to balance your body against something. Now in such cases, I observe that in most patients the body legs are also not in the balancing posture. For example, in some cases the legs are like shivering and not able to control the body, and the legs are very much closer to each other. Sometimes they are standing with right tilt like this just to maintain the body posture. Sometimes it is left tilted. Now all of this leads to the posterior pelvic tilt or anterior pelvic tilt. In both the cases, this entire alignment is affected. What happens? First of all, your head is getting affected, thereafter neck, thereafter chest, upper chest, the rib cage, and when the rib cage is affected, you collapse, and the diaphragm and the solar plexus, the celiac plexus that you have here, that goes into freeze mode. With this collapsed pose, there is nothing in your body that can hold you straight and in erect position. So these are the standing variations. In problems connected to sitting is like that, you hold the phone in this position and you are always, I have seen people like this, they are completely in wrong posture, and then they have all the problems connected to neurosis issues, sexual neurosis also, because the pelvic energy, this energy is stuck in the pelvic, the life force is stuck in the pelvic region, your pelvis is collapsed. So all of these problems, or you have to adjust on the couch like this, sometimes it is left tilted body, it is right tilted body, all these are not correct and right postures. Also, when you sit to work on laptop, for example, you are sitting in slouching position. I have seen people in this pose. This is complete wrong posture. If you are in this posture, the life force in you is not moving and it is making it waves like highway and the river basin. It needs waves to flow through your system. So in the next video, I will guide you through the solutions, and you need to know that you have to correct everything right from sitting. For example, if you are sitting on a chair, if the handle is there, you will be able to correct your posture very well, and there are many other solutions that I will guide you. This is one of the ideal chair to sit on where you can make use of the handle, and rest of the solutions I will guide you, so that if you are going through these symptoms, you need to take the responsibility of correcting the posture first, and posture correction may take around 21 days of good practice, commitment to your brain and nervous system. I teach you how to correct your posture through different techniques, and to learn the techniques you can watch my next video and also book your consultation, so that I can diagnose your specific case where your life force is blocked and you can take actions to flow your life force. That's all for now. Bye bye.